Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can verify PayPal account, so let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to paypal.com. Log in to the PayPal account you wish to verify. First, let's confirm your email address to ensure PayPal recognizes your account as legitimate. Once you're logged in, tap the three-line menu icon and go to Settings. Under the Email section, you'll see whether your email is verified or not. If it isn't, tap the listed email address and follow the instructions to complete the email confirmation. Next, we'll move on to confirming your bank account. From the main menu, tap the three-line icon again and select Wallet. Then, tap on Link a card. Here, enter the debit or credit card number you want to associate with your PayPal account. Select the card type, enter the expiration date, security code, and confirm your billing address. Once all the details are filled out, tap Link Card, and your card will be added to your account. After linking your card, making a few successful transactions will help PayPal recognize your account as active and trustworthy. Once you've completed a few transactions, you can request full verification through PayPal support.